Hey, welcome back. In this video, we will discuss about the legacy var keyword to declare a JavaScript variable. Okay, so we can do something like var and do something like x, okay, or age, something like that, equals to 20. Okay, so we can do that. Okay, so that is not a problem. And so the variables inside of the JavaScript which are created by the var keyword works similarly like the variables which are created with the let keyword in JavaScript. But there is a problem. So we have done something like this, right? So let's do something like let count, okay, equals to something like 10. Okay, so if I do something like let count once again equals to 10, so as you can see, JavaScript is throwing me an error inside of the basically inside of this particular code editor. So if I save that, as you can see, we are getting error like, hey, identifier count has already been declared, which is good, so that we cannot accidentally redeclare the same variable twice, right? So it will prevent us from doing something like this. Now, if we want to do something like this as well, as you can see, we are getting the same error. Now, if we do something like var age equals to 10 and hit save, as you can see, we are not getting any sort of error. And this is one of the potential drawbacks of using the var keyword to declare a variable. This is totally confusing. So we can accidentally redeclare the variables here, right? And if we do console log of age right now, as you can see, it is now set to 10, which is not good. Okay, so this is one of the reasons why you should not use var right now. Okay, previously what happened is that many of the browsers did not support the let and the const keyword fully, but right now all of the modern browsers support the let and the const keywords fully. Okay, so you do not want to use the var keyword to declare a variable. And one more thing which I want to point out here, we do not know about the block scope and the functional scope and so on and so forth. That is why we will not be able to discuss about why var is not good. So there are some other reasons. When we will be learning about the scopes and functions, then we will come back to this particular var keyword and why we should not be using the var keyword to declare a variable. Okay, so yeah, this is basically the legacy var keyword to declare a variable. We should not use that. But if you are working with a code base which is very old, then you will see the var keyword quite a lot to declare a variable inside of JavaScript. Okay, awesome. So this is the var keyword to declare a variable inside of JavaScript. So I'll just do something like this, and what I'll do, I'll just comment out all of this. Okay, awesome.